is better. Oh. I can't get it so you can see that the ball's under the cone. Oh, there you go.
Oh my god!
Wow. You know Zach's
Hours
gonna.
of entertainment here, as you can see.
She's all proud.
I think I'm pooped, Mom. She's like biting at it too. She's like, I know it happened. I don't understand. Get it, Missy. Get it, Missy. Get it, Missy. Get it, Missy. Get it.
Oh, she almost got it in the cone.
Get it, Missy. It's just happy. She can see the whole thing. She almost got it in the cone.
I know, that's the second time.
Get it. She's pooped.
Are you all done now, Missy? Nope.
Get it, Missy. Go get it. It's over there. Missy, over there.
That's pretty bad. She didn't know where the ball went.
Over there.
I can't find the ball.
Mrs. Atkins.
I know.
Kidding.
Missy! 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 Missy!
Get it, Miss. She's like, I hate you.
Like she's like, oh. I like when it's getting behind her. Just trying to back up to see it. Oh.
Can't connect the two. What is this impossible to get? Oh my gosh, this is fantastic.
Missy, get it.
I know.
Get it, Missy.
Come on, Missy!
She got
Get it! Oh!
Oh!
I think she just hit it with the cone. She's got a whole new game for herself now.
Trying so hard.
Is it sad we're hillbilly enough that this has been funny for 4 minutes now?
Yes.
Hi, Missy. You got the ball?
Oh my gosh.
Get it, Missy.
Get it, Missy.
Get it, Betty. Get it, ball. Whoop. I thought I put it at you. Yeah, get the phone.
Yeah, we